Hello, I'm Scott Townsend from E&M. I'm here to give a demo of the Patlite NH series signal tower. The signal tower can be used to alert plant floor and maintenance or manager personnel via email of issues of your system or facility. I will be demonstrating two features of the NH series signal tower, the ping monitor and the SNMP network monitoring. We have a Siemens PLC and a USB network interface connected to our demo laptop. I will disconnect the Siemens PLC and let the ping monitor detect the failure. The ping monitor sends a ping echo request to the device to check for connectivity. With the loss of connectivity, the signal tower device can be programmed to indicate that there is a problem. To be sure that there are no false positives of the downtime of the equipment, the signal tower must reconfirm the equipment failure. This process can take up to 2 minutes. Once the signal tower has confirmed the loss of connectivity, the programmed actions will take place. You can see now that the signal tower has detected the failure of the Siemens PLC. We will plug back in the Siemens PLC and disconnect our USB network adapter. At this point, the signal tower will go out and find that the Siemens PLC is connected and turn off the red indicator. The amber indicator will be turned on when it detects that the failure of the USB network interface card. The green light has been programmed to flash on when it has recovered from a failure condition. So we should see the red light go off, the amber light turn on, and the green light flash. There, it has detected the Siemens PLC and has indicated that we had a problem, but we have corrected ourselves. When it detects the failure of the USB network interface, the amber light will go on and the green light will stop flashing. So now we've indicated that there's a failure of the USB network and adapter. We'll plug that back in, and we should see the amber light go out and the green light flash. The second part of the demo is with SNMP. Most devices can be configured to send out SNMP traps. These traps can be received by the signal tower and have it take appropriate action based upon the content of the trap. I have configured a series of traps to be generated from the demo laptop. These traps will be transmitted to the signal tower. The first trap transmitted will be to turn on the red light indicating there's a failure in a piece of equipment. So now you can see that we have the green light flashing because we received the confirmation that our USB connector has been back online, but we knew that there was a problem, so we want to indicate that there was something wrong, but now it has been corrected. We can see that our red light is now flashing from the SNMP trap that we sent it. The SNMP traps can also contain variable binding data within inside of them. You can take appropriate action based upon the data that is sent with the bound variables. I have the amber light associated with two different trap variables. One for a low set point, which will flash the amber light at one rate, and one for another set point, which will flash the amber light at a different rate. I've sent over the trap for the amber light for pattern 1. So there's pattern 1, and now I'll send the trap over for pattern 2. We've also told the signal tower that when we get the amber light to turn on, we also want to turn off the green light, indicating that there is a definite problem in progress. With the variable bindings, these can be done and made the device so you can have it respond to any of the different lights or sound options. So we can have a trap saying to turn on sound pattern 3. And then we can change the sound pattern to sound pattern 4 if we get an elevated condition. If we no longer need the audible alarm, we can send it a sound clear trap, and it will disable the alarm but keep the lights still lit. Once the maintenance personnel have determined that the system is in good functioning working order, we can have the system send a go green SNM heat trap back to the signal tower to tell everything operation is normal. There we go, and we're at condition normal. Also for this demo, I have set up email alerts for each of the actions. When I refresh my mail client here, you will see that we have received email messages for each of the different events that had occurred. I hope you enjoyed the simple demo of the Patlite NH series signal tower. Thank you.